Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data, and for example, I'm going to apply the conditional formatting to the score column. I'm going to make it green for the score which greater than 70. So first of all, I'm going to select the column like this, and then we're going to go to the conditional formatting, and there will be some options for you, and I'm going to choose highlight cells rules, and I'm going to choose greater than. Alright, and then I'm going to input 70. Okay, and then I'm going to apply custom format. I'm going to make it green, so here we can choose fill, but you can choose another format if you want. You can choose number, font, border, or fill, and I'm just going to choose fill. So the score which larger or greater than 70 will be filled with this green color, and I'm going to click on OK. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the score which larger than 70 now become green. Okay, and that's all the way to apply conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.